Hey everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick unboxing of a bag from VERAFIED and a quick review, and plus what it can fit into this bag, plus the pros and cons that I have found since I've been using it. I always do my review after I've used all the items. Without further ado, let's dive into it. So first of all, let's just do the unboxing. So the bag came in a cardboard box packaging. Once that I opened it, the bag is like got a dust bag like this. The bag is nicely wrapped in the tissue. Here is the bag. It's a little Python number and it's quite small, you can see from the size of it. And obviously this is not real Python leather. This is embossed onto calf leather with just the Python print. And my first impression of this bag is that they have a chemical glue smell to it as soon as I open the box. So I have been airing it for quite a few days before I firstly used it a couple of weeks ago. And you can see with the details of the bag is that it's a like double handle, very thin straps. There is a zip on the top, zip case. You can just pulling it onto both sides and then pulling it on either side, or they can meet in the middle. And I particularly like the design of the zip pullers. You can see that they got the name of the brand embossed on it. This is like a little pyramid shape. The palladium hardware is very nice and shiny. The other one, and it hasn't got any brand embossed, and the zip is very smooth, and you can tell that it's very easy to open and to close. On the other side is two little hoops to hoop the shoulder across the body strap onto it. I'm going to show you later. And then on the bottom, it basically just some details you can see is being stretched out. They just sewn a piece of leather over it. It's quite a nice touch. On the bottom there's no feet, because I think this is a relatively small bag, and it is basically one long panel, where the panels along the zips are just basically some extra two panels to sew the zip into it. On the inside, the lining is just cotton lining. There is a inside it's a small little holder there, and with the brand name leather with the silver stamping embossed on, with the silver stamping on it, is very nice and chicly done. And there's no zips on the inside, there's one compartment. You can see the bag opens quite wide. Also on the other side there's a little tag over here. It's got the VERAFIED embossed onto it, and then that's it. You can't pull the lining out. It's all being sewn and integrated into the bag, because especially you can see on the longest ends, the bag lining has been sewn into this bit. So it's nice and secure, it's very neatly done. So when you have things in there, the lining is not going to earn creases and various belongings. They have another long crossbody strap. It's done in the same size as the handle. On either end they got some knots, and then the hook is like silver palladium color. They have this little, got nails and keeps slippery, and then I can push that in and then hook, and then that's it, that's in. On the other side is the same thing, push it in and then hook and then glide, and then it's in. So now is a crossbody bag. I'll tell you the specs later in the video. Overall, my first impression of this bag is it's really well made, and the stitching are very even, and yeah, I'm not disappointed with the quality. It's really well made for the price. But I've just noticed that there is a crack, can you see, on the strap, but I've just noticed it. But it is something, yeah, maybe there is a little quality issue, but I'm not going to return it because I think I've missed the return window. I've only just noticed it, but never mind. Yeah, so overall this is a really lovely little bag. So next I'm going to tell you the specs of the bag. The length of the bag is about 19 centimeters. That's including the wings at the bottom, but the actual body of the bag is like only 18 centimeters, and the height is about 9 centimeters, and the width is about 8.5 or 9 centimeter. The handle drop is about between 7 and 8 centimeters. So it's basically a little handheld bag, and you can push it around, you know, or put it on your wrist, or just hold it like that. They have a long shoulder strap. Is 129 centimeters, and the weight of the bag is about 200 grams. It's very, very light. It's what, you know, it's just so light and like a feather. The name of this bag is called the Python Café mini bag. They have so many different colors and in so many different leather types, but they're all calf leather, and even though they say is lizard or whatever, but it's all embossed with calf leather. So yeah, and is really pretty. I think they only have this small size, the mini size. I don't think they have a bigger one, just to bear that in mind. Next, I'm going to talk you through about the price. The price of it is £189, but if this is I bought from the website. Their website is being shipped from the US, even though they have a UK presence. And the downside is that the 189 being listed on the website, that's not the final price you have to pay. You have to pay tax on top of it plus shipping. So the shipping from the US is about £36, and then the duty is about £3.98, and then the taxes is about £40.55. And so because this is the first time I bought something from the website, and they gave me a discount, and so the discount was £26.22. So overall, I've paid £243.31. So let's just say £250 for this bag. Is a leather bag. I think the price is okay. Next, let me show you what can be fitted into this bag. So here is the bag. First of all, my gold purse, gold lipstick case, Chanel hand lotion, and then my asthma spray, pill box, and then the little pouch, and then my Hermes handkerchief, a massive power bank. All of those items are now in, and then I'm going to just zip it. Now it's very weighty. Now the bag is fully occupied, and you can see the shapes quite well. And I have worn it with couple of different outfits, and I'm going to show you. And also I've been wearing this with my Python flip-flops, or I can wear this with my black flip-flops, but mostly I want to matchy my Python flip-flops that I got from store. And so that's it, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed me quick unboxing and reviewing this VERAFIED Python Café mini bag. I've taken you through the specs, the details, the design aspects, all the features, plus the specs and what can be fitted into it. So I hope this is useful to you if you want to go for this bag, or just for your information only. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you're a follow bag lover, and tell me what you think about this bag. And until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye.